Hey traders and investors, it's Miami Option with your stock market recap. Tuesday, March 9th, 2021. Yes, the market is roaring upwards and it can go a lot higher. All the indexes are all higher. You have names like GME, GameStop, that's roaring higher. You have names like Dash, no, not Hash, but Dash, that are roaring higher as well. Square, stocks that I particularly like, they are roaring a lot higher. Can this continue? This can go on for months on end, weeks, or even just days. At this time moment in the market, you need to be very cautious. Let's look at a 2 year of Square. Yep, it pulled back quite a bit, and for Square, and I would, for me, I would be buying something like Square. Square is a particular stock that I see a lot of people using. The use and the growth of Square, I think, can go very far. However, in the long term, when you're looking at for long term, do I need to be buying, going all in at this time here in the market? No. If it comes down here at 130, yes, I can scale in a lot more, but still, I'm not putting 100% of my account into Square at this time. Look at um, particular names as Dash. Let's look at your 2 year. And I think Dash can go a lot higher. You know, there's a lot of people using this particular service, DoorDash, especially since the pandemic. A lot of people have been ordering from home. They've been ordering um, out different restaurants, and they've been using Dash. And I think Dash can go a lot higher. You know, um, that's my that's what I that's what I'm saying, because something that you constantly use day in and day out, you need to look at those particular stocks. If you don't know a particular stock and what it does, you need to be very cautious. You don't buy into a particular stock for a long term. And I'm speaking not to the traders, I'm talking to the long term investors, 5, 10 years and beyond. I think since the pandemic, people are going to be looking at a lot more safety, doing things from home, and ordering stuff from home, shopping more from home, and the online services like Dash, ordering your food from home, it's going to expand, and I think Dash has ways to go, you know. And can this get really beaten down? I believe so. It can happen. Can this go on the channel where it hits just about 100 and bounce up to a 200, come right back down? Yeah, you can have this. This can go on for years. However, when you're a long-term investor, you need to look at the long term and 5, 10 years. And also, you need to keep up with the trend. It can have another service that can do just like Instacart, that goes in to do your shopping and stuff. There can be other services that come out and do a greater job than Dash. And that's when you need to really reconsider whether you need to stick with DoorDash or something else. Is just like comparing Lyft and Uber. I would rather buy Uber stock than Lyft because I see more people using Uber than Lyft. The services that Uber provides, Uber Eats, I can for myself visually see a lot more people using Uber as Lyft rather than Lyft. Just going back to the market, and when you're looking at this, let's look at a 20-year weekly. Look at this market. This market has been roaring ahead so much. Can we continue? Yeah, we can continue forever, but we need some sort of pullback, a breather in the market, something that just about here. I think 293 in the S&P is decent. You know, this bull market can continue forever, but however, I'm just saying be very cautious in this market. Very cautious. And let's look at some other names that are roaring today, like Can. This stock, this I mean, has been roaring for since last month. A 2 year. Look at this. Oh my! Came from $4 and up, and we have Facebook moving up, Zoom, Square, JMIA has been roaring today. And if you bought any options, put options before Stitch Fix um, released their earnings yesterday, you're sitting pretty good, especially if you bought in the money. All right, traders and investors, it's Miami Options with my stock market recap for Tuesday, March 9th, 2021.